And this makes me ask a question. What are we going to do about removing the fees for access to public facilities so that the people can, in fact, become more involved in the city, regardless of whether they are seniors or little? And if they are, if you are providing for grandparents and or grandchildren, what kind of view do you have of the city down the line as well, not just immediately? What planning are we doing for the grandchildren that many of us are as much concerned about as we are the seniors of today? What is your view, Mr. Mayor, about the view from the grandparents' point of view, although we know you're not a grandparent yet, for those of us who care about the city for our grandchildren?
As you know, Fiona, my daughter's 11, so I think that's a really important question. So we have a strategy at the moment that we're working on, partly in response to the work done by the Seniors Forum, and I was remiss, both the roundtable and the forum, there's been good participation in the provincial and I think the federal governments, and I want to acknowledge that, because this is all about partnership if we're going to make change. And part of that strategy is to address the issue of recreation user fees, including the fees that are charged for space. It's a barrier to seniors, it's a barrier to young people. In this campaign, I've committed to removing the recreation user fees in the 13 neighborhoods in this city that have the highest, for youth, that have the highest combination of poverty and low income and low lack of services. We're also working in a number of areas to do some innovative things so seniors and young people can be together. I actually think that's a tremendous opportunity. I know when Julia was not 11, when she was 1, my mother and Jill's mother took care of her. And it was terrific for the young person and terrific for the seniors as well. And I think that's very important, and our recreation programs have a huge part to play. And we can't allow the fees to continue to be a barrier. So I support the strategy we're working on. I think we'll see real results from that. I think it's important when we're thinking it through to make sure that in the end, the resources go to the places most in need, the places where there are low-income seniors, the places where there are low-income families. Because it's by improving the services that for those who need them the most that we'll succeed in being an equitable city. Thank you.